Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so the process is smooth. Make sure both headsets are paired to your device and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. These services coordinate audio streams. Once done, open the Audio Share menu in Settings or Control Center. This is the action that begins pairing two outputs. Tap the first device, then the second. You'll see both listed. Remember why? Parallel pairing prevents dropouts and keeps latency matched for synced playback. Once both devices are visible, select the primary audio source and assign outputs. You need to pick codecs and prioritize low latency options if the menu offers them, because codecs control delay and quality. Make sure echo cancellation is enabled on headsets to avoid feedback. Now adjust per device volume and balance so both listeners hear the mix correctly. Test with a short 10 to 20 second clip and listen for lip sync or phasing. Small adjustments here save problems later. To finalize, lock the audio share session or confirm settings so no new devices interrupt playback. Monitor levels during initial minutes and communicate with listeners to ensure perceived sync. If audio drifts or stutters, first reselect the low latency codec or toggle Bluetooth on one paired device. That often clears buffering mismatches. As a last resort, restart the share session or switch one listener to a wired connection to eliminate wireless latency. This troubleshooting tip solves most persistent sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.